The heat shrink tube insulation kit has excellent insulation. It includes 700 pieces of 2 and 3 diameter and 55 mm length with 5 different colors for identification, and has excellent stress control properties like long-term weather, regular wear and tear resistance, ease of installation, and reliable performance even in the harshest of situations. Additionally, you will get the durable plastic storage box, which helps you to always keep the product organized and to transport the product anywhere. Simply the easiest way to use, just slide a slightly larger tube at the desired location and apply heat through a cigarette lighter or a heat gun for about 10 seconds, and the tube will shrink down and will hold the joint tightly. Widely used for electrical, electronic, automotive electrical wiring, home applications, electrical insulation, wire bundling, mechanical protection, wire cable joints and repairs, and also helpful in DIY projects. PulsEvo industrial grade heat shrink tube is a perfect idea for protecting the wiring connections of your gadgets.